Hello, in this video I will show you how to connect your VeryFit smartwatch to your phone and set the time and date and wallpaper. The first step is to scan the QR code on the smartwatch and install the VeryFit application on your phone. If your smartwatch is using any other application like Fitpro, Hryfine or Hiwatch Pro, you can find videos on my channel on how to connect for these smartwatches. Turn on Bluetooth and GPS location on your smartphone and make sure that your phone has an internet connection. Open the application on your phone and follow the steps shown in the video to connect your smartwatch to your phone. You will need to enter some details like your country, a username and your date of birth to access the application. Once connected, the time and date will update automatically on the smartwatch. Now you can follow the steps shown in the video to change the wallpaper on your smartwatch. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.